Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again. It is your boy Sniper Jones, and I am back with another video for you. Head top. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today, I have an unboxing for you guys. I'm gonna be unboxing two separate things. First off, shout out to the people who sent these over because this was a random video. I did not plan on making this video. You know what I'm saying? When you're making videos, when you're in that creative mode, you sit down and you think about what videos can you make for the week. And this one kind of stunned upon. What? This one kind of stumbled upon your boy. Now, if you guys don't know, my P.O. box is under every video. So literally, under every single video, I have a P.O. box. And it's dedicated and designated for you guys to send anything if you want to. Or for just like businesses and stuff like that to send me stuff. And it's always random. Like, so every time I check my P.O. box and I have something, it's not like I'm expecting something. It's just like usually I pick like maybe a day out of the week or one day every 2 weeks and I just check my P.O. box to see what's in it. And to my surprise, I checked it and I have two packages and we're gonna get to these in a second. I just wanna say thank you, you know what I'm saying? Like I appreciate the love and support from all y'all. That's on dog. Hold on. In the middle of the video, y'all know. I just gotta say, bro, if you happy to be alive today, if you happy to be alive, man, I'm gonna need you to smash that like button. All right, cool. Now we can go back to the rest of the video. Next up, guys, this is the ultimate cleaning kit from Rejuvenator. I know a lot of you guys actually purchased this when they had that huge blowout sale on Black Friday. Everything on the website was 50% off. This is what I can tell you is the best thing to buy on Rejuvenator because it has everything you need. So what Rejuvenator is, it's a cleaning kit company and they basically have the best cleaning products in the game. It's what I use all the time. And I tell you guys about this a lot just because I want to stress the point of I get asked millions of times, what do you use to clean your sneakers? And I really wish that everybody just watch the video because I say it all the time. Rejuvenator is my go-to. Rejuvenator is what I use all the time. And this here is a complete package of every single thing you'll need in order to make sure that your shoes stay clean for at least a year. Unless you're just out here playing soccer and football in your shoes, you might need another one. I mean, at least a year. And even if you do, everything in this kit can definitely do it, but you might need to buy two and not just one. Now, if you want to purchase it, it will be linked down below Rejuvenator's website. Head over there and look at the ultimate kit and use my discount code SNIPER because you can still save some money, even though they don't have the huge blowout sale. Save some bread if you use discount SNIPER, and I appreciate it. Now from this package, the first package, it's from Cuzzo brand, Cuzzo clothing company, and they sent me out some stuff before, and I really do like your stuff. If you guys seen the pickup vlog I did, I forget which one I forget which one it was, but I had a hoodie. It said Cuzzo, kind of had like the italics around it, kind of looked like off-white type vibe. That was from Cuzzo Clothing Company. They always send me great stuff, so I'm super surprised. He did hit me up and ask me that I received the package, but I have no idea what's inside the package. So, you know, I'm a little excited. You know what I'm saying? I ain't even gonna hold you. Your boy, you know, low-key wondering what's up in it. I see what it is, and thank you. Cuzzo brand, if you're watching this, thank you. I asked for this because I thought it was fire. This is 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 fire. So as I told you guys, the black hoodie I got said Cuzzo on it, right? I seen this Volt Green crew neck sweatshirt and it had Cuzzo on it and I just thought it was fire flames. You can't see the coloring because of the lights. Let me see. There you go. So basically, it's that Volt colorway you'll get from like the off-white laces, that Volt Green you will get, and it is fire. So you see like the Cuzzo and italics. It also has some writing down here in the bottom as well. Definitely gives you that off-white vibe. And I wanted this, man. I actually DM'd them and I asked for this specific crew neck, man. So thank you guys so much for shipping this over. They have a lot of different crew necks, a lot of different hoodies, and they also show you sneakers that look like it'll go directly with the hoodie or the sweatshirt to actually help you coordinate a good fit, man. And I wanted this. This was fire. It's getting cold out here in Atlanta, and best believe, bro, best believe I will be rocking this because it's flames. I'm not gonna hold you. Something like this, it can easily go with where my joints at, man. Where I just picked them up. You know what I'm saying? I can just bang. It's simple, the black and black. You know, I don't want to overvote it. You know what I'm saying? It's still a vibe. If I did want to overvote it, I can just throw on some black pants so the black could pop and bow. I can throw the votes on vote. I can really do what I want, bro. But the crew neck is essential. So head over there and get your sweatshirt and any other thing you like over there. It's fire. Needed this. I'm not even gonna cap. Next up, we got a pair of sneakers. And I was kind of skeptical about opening this up because I have no idea who it's from. I see the company, but I don't know this company. And it's like a mystery. Yeah, it's definitely a mystery. Okay. Is it safe to call this a mystery unboxing? You know what I'm saying? Is it safe? Here we have it on the packaging. It says Goodyware. I'm not sure what Goodyware is, and this is from Michigan. So if anybody knows Goodyware in Michigan, much love. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna hold you. Much love. Let's see what they got in here for your boy. Let me be careful with this knife, because last time, you know what I'm saying, got me on my haha Davis right now. This a package. This is different. This is different, bro. Look, y'all see how hard it got me struggling to get this stuff open? Okay, we got it. We finally got it. Woo, that was a lot, but we got it, man. A lot of tape on there, but I appreciate it, man, because they made sure your boy got it nice and safe, and much love. Oh, here we got the box. It says Goodyware, and it has established 2015, so I'm guessing this is a newer sneaker brand, and I don't know what to expect. I just see they do have a picture right here, so let me get a look. Okay, if this is how the sneaker looks, it's not bad. You know what I'm saying? Not bad. Look like more of like a upscale type joint, you know what I'm saying? Got me talking like I'm from Philly real quick, but yeah, it's like more upscale. But let's get into it. Let's see what the shoe is. On the count of 3, we're just gonna pull it back. You know what I'm saying? We ain't gonna do none of that. 1, 2, 3, black out. I didn't mean that. I really didn't mean that. Okay, so right off the back, what I like about this is the shoes are individually packaged. Okay, so you get 2 separate sneakers and they're individually packaged. That's very, very nice. More of the like the luxurious type. If you guys ever bought Gators, dress shoes, a lot of those come with different type of, what do you call those? Like cloth bags or like one of them little satin bags, you know what I'm talking about. But usually the more upper echelon sneakers are in separate bags. So I'm gonna bring this one out and get a look and see what we talking about. And as you guys can see, it's an all black sneaker. All black sneaker. It got like the lacing system on the upper. The bottom or like the upper almost look like a mesh material. It is a mesh material, and then you get this midsole which is kind of stiff, and it definitely is giving me like some grown man vibes. I'm gonna grab the other one too. Grown man vibes, but these are grown man vibes that I just added to the collection. Much love. Looking at them firsthand, definitely different from what I usually collect in my collection. Y'all know I'm usually Puma, Yeezy, Jordan, Dunk, SB, sneakers. This shoe right here looks very, very different because it's more, like I said, a more upper echelon shoe. I'm gonna just take a good look at the material and the detailing of it. I'm not gonna hold you, okay? The leather right here on the tongue, fire, okay? A lot of y'all might know. I got a older audience. A lot of you guys are older. Whenever you do check into like the actual other sneakers that's more upper echelon, the material is a little bit better than what we're used to. So that might have a lot to do with it, but this tongue feels good. And right around here on this ankle part, that material feels pretty good as well. I have like a zipper on the back, so as you unzip it, you know, that's probably how you put the shoe in a little bit easier. And after you put it on, you zip it back up. But before we zip it back up, the insole got some good leather too. I don't know if y'all can see that insole right there. Yeah, I definitely can't see it. You can kind of, there you go. The insole look like it has some great leather too. The weird thing is they got the lace holes right here in the back. So this is where the lace holes are in the back of the sneaker. Unlike our regulars, it'll be right here on the tongue. But the lace holes are on the back side of the shoe this time. All black, so it's not really too much you can't wear with all black. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. Is this a shoe I'm gonna wear every single day? No. I think I'll only throw these on when I'm on some grown man. And to be honest, a lot of y'all don't think I'm playing. I'm gonna read the comments. Y'all gonna be like, man, you ain't gonna rock these. I'm being honest. It's almost embarrassing to say I don't have like that grown man shoe. I don't have any of that. You know what I'm saying? I'm not even gonna lie. So even if you think I'm capped, I'm gonna wear these defaultly because like defaultly, I have been trying to rise in my horizons by getting new sneakers that kind of fits this look and this description, because I don't have like that grown man shoe to put on when I'm going to a luxurious place or when I'm going to a place where, you know what I'm saying, sneakers aren't allowed, or you just want that upscale, nice, classy look. And this definitely fits the vibe. So thank you, Goodyware, man. If I can find their socials, I'll tag them. But like I said, this is not like the common shoe I will unbox from this channel, but it definitely diversifies my collection, and it also make me I'm saying on my grown man, I ain't gonna hold you. So let me know what y'all think about these down below, but just keep in mind, obviously they're not going for the athletic vibe or the comfort or the Yeezy vibe. This is clearly a sneaker that has like more of like the upper echelon type look, more of a mature type style. So I mean, if you're rocking with these, or if this is just your style, I know a lot of people's style is this look, then it's definitely up for you, man. I know me personally, I will be stepping in these, man, for sure. And that is just about it, man. That's the unboxing for today. We had the sneakers and we had the sweatshirt over from Cuzzo brand. I appreciate you guys for watching again, man. 2020 is gonna be an amazing year. Make sure you guys head over to Resjuvenator, get your Resjuvenators link down below. Goal this year is 100,000 subscribers, so subscribe if you already haven't. And until next time, it is your boy Sniper Jones. You know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but we really put in that work though. Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.